I brought up an issue about the speed of light. We all know as a student before that we are educated in a certain way that speed of light is constant. And Einstein, he himself created this formula, and he also said it's blunder. Blunder is what the blunder means is a well, it's a lie. Simply, it's a lie. So what it is, I'd like to describe it this way. You are watching the stars in the night sky. Then simply you can imagine that you have a partner, and a couple is sitting on a roof and watching the stars in the sky, and the one of them is pointing the star in the sky and ended up watching his or her finger, and then back to their eyes, and then facing each other, and then they are going to a quality time after that. And that is the romantic story about the stars in the night sky. And they may talk about something else that you are already known, that the light of the star is delivered about 8 billion years ago, and then is delivered to you now. So the light itself is 8 billion years old. That's what we know now, since the time of our being a student, and we are simply told. So you know the equation, right? The speed of light is wavelength and frequency, and the fundamentally is traveling the space and distance in a matter of time. In correlation of time is traveling, right? The whole logic goes down to that interpretation. And the distance, space, time is all defined in Wikipedia, as we all know. But I'd like to question, is this true? This may be a fact in this dimension that we are living in, but I doubt it. On the basis of my near-death experience and some other not of this world experience. And I'd like to bring that up. So we are taught that the light from the moon to Earth is 1.3 light seconds. And I doubt it also. What is time? And what is light? As you know, as you can see, the light source is one, and the two slits in a block, and then in the back side of it creates multiple light reflections. Can you understand what it is? Is proven scientific experimentation that it shows like this. And the wavelength that we are capable of watching, this dimension is like the slits here. And we, from red to purple, we are capable of seeing this through our eyes. And beyond that, infrared, there will be thermal visual. And then ultraviolet, that is not existing because we cannot see it. and that is nonsense. We are not capable of watching the beyond that spectrum, but we can know by its nature. And one thing I'd like to bring this issue up is that what we are seeing through our eyes is in this frequency, and what we are here, audible radio, is in this frequency is separated. And what is in the between? Are we actually watching or hearing what you are hearing or watching? Is controversial. And the time itself is notion, is a concept, it's not tangible. It's nothing you can touch or feel the time. Time is just a notion that created by the relation between the sun and earth. So the earth is spinning and dividing, segregating the moment to moment, and then we give the name time. And and the suspicious about all this concept is the sun is also moving through the galaxy, and earth is rotating around the sun, and sun is moving and is just rotating. No, it's rotating by making a viral. It's like a circular form. It's not just making a circle, it's a circular viral. It's making what it's making, and it's not timing. That's not timing. As you know, the one rotation of this rotation of the sun is 365 something, but the error comes from here. This have to be start, and this have to be end right here to make this number 365. But is the sun moving is making viral, and that goes not calculatable numbers, and the times have to be adjusted at the end. And what we see, the light is energy. As you can see in the equation, the speed of light itself is energy. And energy itself is something not related to the space and time. And it says speed of light is constant. Constant. It's not changing. It's fixed. But the light itself is changing because it's energy. And here in this document, the United States Defense Intelligence made a research that Einstein said is the speed of light, constant speed of light is Blunder, and which was mentioned by Einstein. And what I feel and what really actually is like electricity is connecting and the environment is reacting to the magnetic field, like two poles here, and it's connected through the electricity, and also is having a magnetic field around that. And the multi poles is reacting to one pole here and multi poles surrounding this pole. Can you imagine, right? Okay, this is Earth, and what we are watching through the sky is multiple planets around this shell or Earth. And I'd like to make a conclusion out of this is that the stars is not giving 8 billion years old light out there, and we are catching that pretty much old light now, but it's happening right now, right at this moment, and we are catching it through our energetic form of electromagnetic, and we are connected. That happens there, and at that moment, it happens here too. So far end of universe that is responding to this planet. It's like a butterfly making a storm or typhoon. So some said, also Nassim Haramein said, it's all connected universe. And that's like to conclude.